Okay, I guess Arthur Morgan wants meatloaf. Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Arthur Morgan meatloaf. What you want to do is start off with 2 pounds of ground beef. Then you want to add a standard 10.75 ounce can of tomato soup. Again, you can find Campbell's tomato soup at virtually any store on the planet. Then you want to add 2 eggs that you previously beat the hell out of. Approximately a quarter or a half a cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of ketchup. And then you want to add a cup of oatmeal, whatever you want to call it. So a cup of that. Then you want to add about 3 tablespoons worth of mustard. I just eyeballed it. And then you want to add about a tablespoon of steak sauce. And then you just want to mix this all around until everything is well mixed together. Takes about 5 minutes in the mixer, so actually maybe less. Just eyeball it. You'll know when it's mixed. Or you can do this by hand. Either way is fine. And now you want to put this in the meatloaf pan, or you could form it into a loaf, put it on a sheet pan. I would recommend getting a meatloaf pan. It's kind of just 2 pans in one. One just has holes in it for the fat to drain down into. And then you're going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And then proceed to cook this for at least 1 hour. It might need to go a little bit longer, but at least an hour at 350. And all right, we'll be on to the next step. All right, and about 40 minutes in, you want to brush the top of it with some ketchup. Because again, you go to the ketchup too early, and it burns. Burnt ketchup tastes like shit. Caramelized ketchup tastes great. And so after 1 hour, you should be looking at something like that. This is a pretty fluffy meatloaf. Part of it did break off, but it was really delicious. All right, let's get to plating. And put it on a plate. Serve it up with fries, because remember, meatloaf is essentially hamburger, so we need some fries with that. And that's pretty much it. Arthur Morgan's meatloaf. Done. I would just like to point out, this was what was left after 10 minutes. Everyone ripped this meatloaf apart. Everybody went back for seconds. Like I said, I don't normally toot my own horn, but make this recipe. It is absolutely delicious.